ready to unlock the power of online payments and transform your business. In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to set up Stripe, the payment processing platform that can revolutionize how you get paid. First, head over to Stripe.com and click on the Start Now or Sign Up button to create your account. You'll need to enter your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember. Once you've filled in the details, click Create Account. Now you'll be taken to your Stripe dashboard. Here, you'll see a prominent button that says Activate Your Account. Click on that, because you need to provide your business details. This step is important. Stripe needs to verify your business. You'll need to provide information like your business type, whether you're an individual, a company, or a non-profit, the legal name of your business, your business website, and your employer identification number or social security number. Now for the slightly more technical part, integrating Stripe with your website or application. Stripe offers various APIs and libraries for different programming languages. You'll need to choose the one that fits your needs and follow their documentation to implement it correctly. If coding isn't your forte, consider using Stripe plugins for platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Once integrated, you'll be able to accept payments directly on your website, manage subscriptions, and gain access to Stripe's powerful tools for business growth. And that's it. You're now ready to start accepting online payments with Stripe.